Greeting, we are Team ANT with 5 students from Hanoi. My name is An, this is Duy Nhật Minh, Linh, and Tuấn. We are very glad to take part in the final round of AZ Sciences 2021. And today, it is our pleasure to present to your honorable judges our product. IoT-based wearable smart health band assistant. For the reason why we do this project, we have the following ones. Firstly, in the 21st century, which is considered an era of technology, IoT-based technology has been widely applied to every aspect of our lives. For instance, the economical activities, medical science, modernizations. Secondly, with the situation of COVID-19 becoming more competitive than ever before, patients' health is affected. Furthermore, many countries are having difficulties in checking the patient's position, dislog, and health status continuously. So, we came up with an idea of a patient's health and location checking system. The patient's location is crucial so that doctor can service as soon as possible if it's in danger. Next, Nhật Minh is talking about objective and implementation process.
Hi, I'm Nhật Minh, and now I'll talk about the objectives and implementation process for our device. Now, our product has 4 main objectives. First, it should be a comfortable and compact device for users to wear. Secondly, it should be able to support management in isolation areas and also to measure the body temperature of the users. Furthermore, it should be able to detect the user's location in case they don't have a smartphone. And thirdly, all recorded data will be uploaded to an online server so the information can be easily stored and updated. And finally, it should be able to minimize the possible errors. Now, moving on to the implementation process. After we have finished listing out the requirements, the next step is to draw a schematic and design a case. So the schematic is basically a diagram which helps explain information about our device in a simplified manner. Next, we'll test the device on a breadboard and 3D print the case. In this step, we have 3 sub-steps. First, we'll plan which sensors should be included. Next, we'll put all those sensors and the other attachments onto your breadboard. And finally, we add some final touches. Now, in the final step, before the device goes into operation, it should be tested thoroughly. In this step, we conduct various tests on all the functions of the device to make sure that it contains fewest possible errors and meets all the criteria aforementioned in the objective part. However, we still meet some obstacles while building this product. First, we have a lot of difficulty in connecting to the GPS. And secondly, due to the impact of the COVID-19 virus, we are not able to buy the best components to build our product. Next, Tuấn will talk about the components of our invention.
Next, I will dive more deeply in the components of our inventions. First, it includes 3 sensors to collect the data, which includes the modern GPS A9G to locate the position of patient. Next, the GY906 temperature sensors. It's the measure body temperatures. And lastly, this is a MASIMS integrated mask 30100 oscillators and heart rate sensors. The sensor will be connected to Arduino Nanos, which is a center board that controls the wall systems. Data from the sensor can be read in 2 ways. First, the information can be displayed on the OLED screens in the system which allows the doctor to keep up with the data. Secondly, the data will be transferred to a modern RF. Another modern RF could be received, in this case, receive the data from these transmitters and send them to Wi-Fi modules. These Wi-Fi modules complete the process by uploading all received data to an online server. In the case of emergency situations, when the indicators reach dangerous levels and exceed the allowed levels, there will be a siren rise on the device for doctors and medical staff to recognize and warn about central control systems. Moreover, when When someone goes beyond to the quarantine areas, they will signal to the system and start the risk functions to properly arrest and sanctions. Next, the result will be spoken by Thùy Linh.
With regard to the result of this smart health band, after testing it on 30 people, we have concluded that our device has reached its initial requirements, becoming fully automated and having an acceptable standard error. The screen of this device is always on display, allowing users to monitor their health conditions and make suitable adjustments. The Smart Health Band is designed to be put onto one's wrist. Therefore, it is convenient for the user to wear while performing everyday tasks. The data from this device is transferred to a server, allowing health workers to make well-founded analysis. In conclusion, the whole system functions smoothly and precisely. Therefore, it can effectively monitor the user position and health status. In the following part of this presentation, Duy Minh will address the innovation of this device.
I will present about innovation. Firstly, alert detect the device when it's not in use or removed. Secondly, bracelet can still be used in short period of time, about 3 to 5 hours after disconnect, without handling in time. Next, increase system personal information security and design additional emergency contact like the SOS button. Finally, create lock for bracelet that can only be removed on permission. Next, Tuấn will present about future improvements.
In the near future, we want to have innovation to upgrade our equipment. Secondly, we will create a suitable models to various functions and locations. Thirdly, the price would be optimized so every patient and hospital can afford to buy this. Finally, the system can be improved to fit other purposes like examining people's health to prevent COVID-19. And we will expand the target audience in many areas. For example, emerging children or monitoring elderly, and so on. That's our product. Our team looks forward to be hearing from you. Thank you for listening.